Hey guys, welcome back to video. How to handle when prospects say, I am not interested on phone. And this is the objection. If you learn how to handle it, it will change the game of your sales. आप इंश्योरेंस बेच रहे हैं, म्यूचुअल फंड बेच रहे हैं, whatever you are selling, financial product, real estate. Telling you from my experience, from my coaching experience to more than 5 years, game has changed. Actually, it will turn around the whole scenario. How do you talk to people on phone? But this phone can change your fortune. Yes, it is the most important activity in business to make phone call. You will only get objection when you make phone call. The first question, ask yourself, are you making enough phone call? Are you making enough phone call on a daily basis? Okay, so now I'm telling you, how do you handle when prospects say, I am not interested. Okay. My name is Ravi and I'm the author of the book called Sales Ka Sikandar. You better buy this book and read it. Whenever you are talking to people on phone and prospects say, I am not interested, there are two kind of prospects in the market. The first category, जब आप cold call कर रहे हैं, prospect से कोई आपका relation, कोई जान पहचान नहीं है, तो जब ऐसे बंदे को आप डील कर रहे हो तो आपको क्या बोलना है? When the बंदा say, I am not interested, or let's suppose you are trying to sell a meeting to sell life insurance. Then you say, well, Mr. Prospect, I know you are not interested, but are you sure what you are saying? No. And be silent. क्या बोला आपने? आपने बोला I know you are not interested, but आपको पता है कि आप किसको नो बोल रहे हो. You have done something, उसके दिमाग से बात अंदर जाएगी. हाँ? Because now you have said something, a fear of losing something. Human beings are more motivated to not to lose rather to get something. So you say, do you know what you are saying? No. Then वो क्या बोलेगा? Yeah, you are talking about some insurance policies and all. Then you don't say about it. You say, Mr. Prospect, if I can help you to make money without taking any market risk, then do you love money? Do you like money? Would you like to have more money in your life? क्या बोलेगा? Yeah, probably, or maybe yes, or maybe whatever. Now you got his attention. जहां पे कॉल आपकी 5 सेकेंड में खत्म हो रही थी, नाउ यू आर टॉकिंग, यू आर इंगेजिंग द प्रोस्पेक्ट, ही इज टॉकिंग टू यू. योर जॉब इज टू जस्ट सेट द अपॉइंटमेंट, दैट्स इट. सो व्हाट you say, Mr. Prospect, I understand you can fire me when I meet you face to face, but I have only two things. I will tell you something you might have never seen in your life. One of the most powerful way to secure your money, secure your life. And if you don't like it, you say no, you fire me. Is that okay with you? Then when can we meet? Now the question is, आप बोलोगे यार मैं ऐसा कैसे बोल सकता हूँ? Everybody is selling life insurance. That is the problem, because you don't have the belief on your product. You don't have the belief on yourself. You don't have the conviction that whatever you are selling is the most important commodity and product and concept in the marketplace, and that is why you don't have the appointment. But if you want to be world class salesperson, if you want to be a champion selling life insurance, if you want to become MD, RTC, OTT, whatever, you have to have that kind of confidence and belief on your product, man. Then you get the point. So first you have to sell appointment before you sell any insurance policy or any product. And phone can change your fortune. You have to make enough phone call. So what did I say? Prospects say, I'm not interested. You say what you are saying, no. Okay, and then you ask the question. Now if you are talking to people जहाँ पे कोई common reference है, let's say I'm calling, hello, my name is Ravi and I got your reference with your friend Mr. Rahul, and I'm a financial planner. I will talk to you about some financial option for you. So now the person, because he know his friend, he will say, okay, right now I'm busy, you can talk me later. वहां पे आपको direct objection नहीं मिलेगा. और वहां भी अगर बंदा बोलता है कि I am busy right now, then you don't say when can I talk. वहां पे आपको क्या बोलना है? आपको बोलना है, मिस्टर राहुल, जो मैं आपसे बात करना चाह रहा हूं, does it make sense to you? Is it important to you? rather than saying okay sir कब मैं बात कर सकता हूं. अरे आप कोई टाइम पास थोड़ी हो कि लोग पीछे भागते रहोगे. यू हैव अ इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम मैन. यू आर अ प्रोफेशनल गाय. आप टाइम पास बंदे नहीं हो. पहले तो मैं ये नहीं कर दो कि यू आर अ टाइम पास गाय. योर टाइम इज वैल्यूएबल. योर टाइम, नॉलेज, एनर्जी इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कमोडिटी एज ए सेल्स पर्सन. सो यू आस्क द पर्सन कि जो मैं आपसे बात करना चाह रहा हूं, इज इट रियली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू? डज इट मेक सेंस टू यू? बंदा बोले यस, देन आस्क what would be the time when can we talk without any interruption. And try karo face to face. Have a Zoom call, have a WhatsApp call. That use the technology. When you have a face to face, eyeball to eyeball, things happen. Got it, the word? Got it? Yes. Now if you are really serious to take your business to the next level, want to mastery on phone, want to learn how to handle the objection of sales, I teach only two things: how to master on phone, which can change your fortune, and how to handle the objection in sales, any conversation. And I got enough success to show you guys. So if you want my one-on-one mentoring, then click on the link. You can schedule a one-to-one free of cost half an hour consulting with me. I will also give my book Sales Ka Sikandar free of cost. Second, I have started a mastermind batch which is starting on the first week of August, 1st August, where I will teach you the same thing in a group coaching. And the fees negligible, less than 1000 rupees. Yeah, be part of it. If you are serious and you want to take one-to-one services, then be willing to pay higher price. But guess what? It's worth it, because in sales, your job is to make sales, make money, and enjoy life. You're not in sales to struggle. You should make your fortune. You should be a millionaire if you are in sales. All the best. Sales Ka Sikandar, your way. Thank you very much.